Trick my track.
New Smyrna Speedway was opened in 1966 by the Hart family. Clyde Hart was the originator. Now his son and his wife and the grandson are running New Smyrna Speedway. Been under the Hart family ever since. It started off as a dirt track. It's now turned into a high bank paved oval. Hi, my name is Rusty Marcus. I'm with New Smyrna Speedway in beautiful New Smyrna Beach, Florida. With cars coming from all over the United States, Canada, Mexico, they come from everywhere to race here at this half-mile racetrack. We used to have the old wooden bleachers with splinters. A few years back, we decided we wanted to spruce up New Smyrna Speedway and give her a brand new set of grandstands. We decided to take out the old wooden crappy bleachers and go with some nice shiny aluminum bleachers. We call Bleacher Builders. They came in, and what they did was they revamped the facility and gave it a whole new look, a whole new atmosphere, a whole new attitude. When the fans first started coming in, whenever we had done the improvement with Bleacher Builders, the excitement level was through the roof. Fans' reaction to these new bleachers was incredible. And we would recommend Bleacher Builders. They were proud of the job that they did. Hi, I'm Rusty with New Smyrna Speedway. Let Bleacher Builders trick your track.
Trick my track.